Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Wainlux Laser Engraver Machine that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Wainlux C4 Portable Laser Engraving. The Wainlux C4 Portable Laser Engraving Machine is a remarkable device, offering a level of precision that reaches as fine as 0.05 mm. Its standout feature is the auto-fixed focus, which creates a compressed spot for consistent and accurate engraving results. This foldable laser engraver is versatile, capable of working on various materials, including wood, metal, acrylic, and leather. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this machine empowers you to bring your creative ideas to life. With its ease of use and impressive precision, the Wainlux C4 is a top choice for anyone looking to embark on engraving projects. Moving on at number 4, we have Wainlux C6 Pro Laser Engraver. The Wainlux C6 Pro is a cutting-edge laser engraving machine designed for precision and versatility. With a remarkable 3000 mW laser, it offers exceptional accuracy down to 0.05 mm, ensuring your designs come to life with incredible detail. Its Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to control and customize your engravings directly from your device. This portable mini laser cutter and engraver tool is perfect for various materials, including wood, vinyl, leather, and glass. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it empowers you to create stunning artwork, personalized items, or even intricate logo designs with ease. The Wainlux C6 Pro opens up a world of creative possibilities, making it an ideal choice for artists, craftsmen, and entrepreneurs looking to add a touch of uniqueness to their projects. Elevate your creativity and craftsmanship with this exceptional laser engraving machine. At number 3, we have Wainlux L6 Laser Engraver Cutter with Air Assist Kits. The Wainlux L6 is a powerful 10W laser engraving machine equipped with Air Assist technology, designed to provide exceptional precision and versatility in your engraving projects. This laser cutter and engraver is a top choice for working with a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, and leather. With its high accuracy, the Wainlux L6 ensures that your engravings are detailed and precise, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. Whether you're crafting intricate designs, personalizing items, or creating artwork, this machine delivers impressive results. The addition of Air Assist ensures clean and efficient engraving by removing debris and fumes, improving the overall quality of your work. Elevate your craftsmanship and bring your creative ideas to life with the Wainlux L6 Laser Engraving Machine. At number 2, we have Wainlux C4 Portable Laser Engraver. The Wainlux C4 Portable Laser Engraver is a highly versatile and compact handheld laser etching machine, boasting 5W of power and a remarkable 0.05 mm precision. Its innovative magnetic base ensures stability during operation, making it easy to create precise and detailed engravings on various materials. With convenient app control, you can easily customize and execute your engraving projects directly from your mobile device. Whether you're a creative enthusiast or a professional, this laser engraver is perfect for personalizing items, creating artwork, or adding unique designs to your projects. The Wainlux C4's portability and user-friendly features make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their creative endeavors. Unlock your artistic potential and achieve outstanding results with this handheld laser engraving machine. And finally at number 1, Wainlux JL7 Laser Engraver Cutter. The Wainlux JL7 Laser Engraver Cutter is a high-powered, professional-grade laser engraving machine with a substantial 60W laser, featuring a real 10W compressed spot that achieves remarkable precision at 0.05 by 0.08 mm. It seamlessly supports Lightburn software and offers Bluetooth connectivity for easy control and customization. With a generous working area of 15.7 inches by 15.7 inches, this CNC laser engraver is suitable for a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, and glass. Whether you're an artisan, designer, or DIY enthusiast, it empowers you to bring intricate designs to life, create detailed artwork, and personalize items with unparalleled accuracy and speed. The Wainlux JL7 is the ultimate tool for those seeking professional-grade results in their laser engraving projects. Unlock your creativity and elevate your craftsmanship with this exceptional machine.